Welcome back to Cashcraft, your go-to channel for mastering trading and building financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading, one of the most popular and fast-paced trading strategies of 2025. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about day trading, from what it is to how you can start, plus some pro tips to succeed. Whether you're in the UK, Europe, or anywhere else in the world, this guide is for you. What is day trading? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is day trading? Day trading is a trading style where you buy and sell financial instruments, like stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies, within the same trading day. The goal? To take advantage of small price movements and close all positions before the market closes. Unlike long-term investors, day traders don't hold on to their trades overnight. Here are the key features of day trading. Fast-paced, trades last minutes or hours, not days or weeks. High liquidity, focus on assets with high trading volumes, like major Forex pairs or popular stocks. Daily profit potential. With the right strategy, you can aim for consistent daily returns. How does day trading work? So, how does day trading actually work? Here's a step-by-step overview. Pick your market. Most day traders focus on high-volume markets like. Pick your market. Most day traders focus on high-volume markets like 1. Stocks, e.g., Tesla, Apple. Forex, e.g., EUR, USD, GBP, USD. Cryptocurrencies, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. Use technical analysis. Day traders rely on chart patterns, indicators, and tools like. Use technical analysis. Day traders rely on chart patterns, indicators, and tools like 2. Moving averages, to spot trends, RSI, relative strength index for overbought, oversold conditions, Bollinger Bands, to track volatility, set entry and exit points. Plan exactly where to buy, sell, and set stop-loss orders to manage your risk. Trade during peak hours. For stocks, this means trading during market open and close. For Forex, focus on the London and New York sessions. Close all positions. Before the market closes, ensure all trades are exited to avoid overnight risks. Day trading is all about precision, speed, and sticking to your plan. Benefits of day trading. Why is day trading so popular? Here are some of the top benefits. Quick profits. Day trading allows you to capitalize on small price movements for daily gains. No overnight risk. Since all trades are closed within the day, you avoid risks from overnight market gaps. Flexibility. You can trade full-time or part-time based on your schedule. Opportunities every day. There's always a chance to profit, especially in volatile markets. Challenges of day trading, but let's keep it real. Day trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some challenges you need to be aware of. High stress. Constantly monitoring markets and making quick decisions can be overwhelming. Transaction costs. Frequent trades mean higher brokerage fees, so choose a low-cost platform. Steep learning curve. It takes time to master technical analysis and develop a winning strategy. Risk of losses. Without proper risk management, losses can add up quickly. Remember, day trading requires discipline and a solid plan to succeed. Best tools and platforms for day trading in 2025. To succeed in day trading, you need the right tools and platforms. Here are some of the best options for traders in the UK and Europe. Trading platforms. 1. eToro, user-friendly and great for beginners. MetaTrader 4/5, advanced tools for Forex traders. Interactive brokers, low fees for stock trading. Charting tools. 2. TradingView, excellent for technical analysis. NinjaTrader, powerful charting and analysis features. News sources. 3. Bloomberg Reuters Investing.com. Having the right setup can make or break your trading success. Pro tips for day trading success. Now, here are some pro tips to help you succeed as a day trader. Start small. Practice on a demo account before risking real money. Set daily goals. Know how much you want to earn or risk each day. Stick to your plan. Avoid emotional trading. Always follow your strategy. Use stop-loss orders. Protect yourself from large losses. Stay educated. Keep learning about new strategies and market trends. Success in day trading comes down to preparation, discipline, and continuous improvement. And that's your beginner's guide to day trading in 2025. Are you ready to start your day trading journey? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cashcraft, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest trading guides and strategies. Together, we'll craft your path to financial success.